Hi there guys, it's still your little chef cousin here. We are busy sorting out dinners with Eskort and our beautiful little mini Frikkadels. One of the things that I saw the nation struggles with, or everyone who I go and eat with, is the couscous. So we need to talk about the couscous. Very quick and easy, yet always ends up like sushi rice, which I don't understand. So I'm quickly going to make a couscous salad with a beautiful turmeric sauce that goes with our little Frikkadels. Okay, so couscous, half a cup per person. So let's say for instance we serve 4 people, we've got 2 cups in there. And couscous doesn't have any taste, so it's nice because you can bring your own taste to the party. We've got a vegetable stock in here, so per person you do about a teaspoon of vegetable stock, then we just do salt and pepper. I always do much more flavor in the couscous, but in this case specifically, not putting too much in it because the sauce with the Frikkadels has enough taste. We have our dry ingredients, then we do some olive oil. We do the olive oil now because it's important to coat all of your little kernels, whatever you want to call it, little pieces of couscous with olive oil before you add your water. Okay, mix it through properly, and this will be the last mix and stir you give this couscous. We've got some hot water here. We're just going to drown it a bit. Okay, just above the couscous. Boiling water, there we go, that's it. Okay, add a lid, plate, cling wrap, foil, whatever you have, and that's it. So to get to our beautiful sauce that we are going to make with the couscous, I'm quite excited about this. It's one of my favorite sauces to make. So garlic, one of the reasons I, for a year and a half after I got my papers, didn't use garlic in any recipe, was the cleaning of the garlic. So quick and easy. A very old lady, beautiful cousin of mine living in Durban, said just pop them into the microwave for 10 seconds, not 10 minutes, you'll have a fire. 10 seconds, and then you just take the peel off like this. So we start with garlic. We've got some spring onion over here, beautiful bunch of spring onion, roughly, because we're going to blend it. I do it in this because it's less of a mess, as you can see, less of a mess. Then we do 1 chili. You can see the smaller the hotter. This is very spicy, nice and hot. I don't want to remove the pips because we want the bite in this. Okay, then we've got some culinary gold, beautiful turmeric that's going in here. Okay, and then we do the crown jewel. You don't have a kitchen without your lemons. Okay, we do some zest, and we are going to do the juice as well of the lemon. Okay, just before you juice it, just roll it out to loosen up all of the little sinews inside. I hope that's a word. Okay, so we do our juice. So I do this upside down in my hand so I catch all of the pips. So this is going to be part of the sauce. So we need this the juice from the lemon, the whole lemon. Okay, there we go. And then we do a 1/4 cup of olive oil. So the olive oil again is just going to carry the whole sauce. It's going to make the sauce saucy. There's enough juice in the spring onion as well. It might seem as if it's going to be a dry situation. There's enough juice in the spring onion to add to the sauce. Okay, there we go. And I'm going to make a noise. So this is a paste. We're going to add some cream and stuff to it just now, and then it's going to become our sauce. We are still on very convenient little mini Frikkadels, pre-cooked, so we're just going to heat it up in here. That's why it's so quick and easy as well. You don't have to wait until dessert is done before the meat is ready. These little guys are beautiful. We've got our paste over here, and then with this we are going to do some cream, just to bring some contrast between the spicy and the freshness of the sauce. We're going to make it nice. Let's do these little guys. They will start to fry just a little bit. So we don't want this sauce to go in the paste, to go in while it's very hot, because there's vegetable sugar and sugar in the garlic, so I don't want that taste to burn and take over. So we heat it up with the frikadels from the start. Okay, let's have a look. The couscous is ready. That was quite quick. Beautiful. It drank all of the water like it was supposed to. So all we do with a fork now, we don't start to mix and stir. Just with a fork, don't use anything else. Just stir up the couscous to break it apart, just a little bit. So because the oil was there and the water, it helps it. So that's it, that's done. We don't want to mix anything more than that. Okay. Beautiful. So to this we just add our cream. Okay, this is a beautiful color. Please get this onto the first tablecloth that you can find. Make a mess, mark it as your turmeric cloth, because you will not get it out. Okay, so this just needs to heat up through properly. I always say look for the bubbles on the side, and when you start to see it in the middle, you know it's heated through. Okay, so because it's 2019, are we still there yet? Still 2000, yeah. Okay, 2019, we need something green, something fresh. I usually, let me look at you, it's very serious. Once a week I go and see a group of people just across the road in a little church hall. It's BSA, Baby Spinach Anonymous, because I'm addicted to baby spinach. Okay, our brand manager insisted that I go and see someone, because I always use baby spinach in almost everything that I cook. So here it is again. I will go to the meeting twice tonight. I'll maybe take some of the salad with, I'm not sure. But baby spinach is a must for me in my kitchen, in my fridge. Every day, the whole day, permanently, because it's healthy, very healthy leaf, the king of the leaves, and it actually has nutrients in it. So yeah, okay, this is beautiful. And it's ready. Did it hit someone? Are you people fine? Great. Okay, let's get a sexy bowl. So this bowl was in an accident, but I'm sure it looks pretty on the picture. So I'm just dishing for one person. We've got some couscous. And I always serve whatever I do, like for instance when this is hot and saucy, I serve it on top of the baby spinach to wilt it just a little bit so it can cook. And then we've got some basil here, but the basil we put on top because it turns black or dark. Okay, there we go. Beautiful. We do some basil. And then again, just a little bit of salt for seasoning. Yes, and that's it. Dinner and couscous sorted. So whoever I come and visit again, please listen. This is how couscous is made. Ma, don't stir it like the pap, please. Thank you. Okay. Cut. Can we cut? Can we cut? Are we cutting?